know you want pop, you want rock and roll.
You want it?
This year's remix
Got some phonics.
so I got pop, I got rockin'
Electronic
beats. I got your pop music with the future flow.
So don't worry, even if the sky is falling down.
Gonna be okay when it knocks you down.
So baby, don't worry.
Alright, when it knocks you down.
Don't need to worry.
Just get back up when you're tumbling down. It's like I've been awakened. Every rule I had to break it. The risk that I'm taking.
my face and never feel that place. Living on the top, living on the rock and roll.
With some phonics. I like that bass. I like them rockin' electronic
Beats. Living on the hip hop music with the future flow.
Baby, don't worry.
Alright, when it knocks you down.
Somewhere far along this road.
Pressed down, I wanna let it go. I feel down.
I've been traveling on this road so long. Just trying to find my way home. The old me's dead and gone, dead and gone.
I got a feeling. Ooh, I found God. Living on the top, living on the rock and roll. Living on the feeling. The music keeping so we got the pop, we got the rockin'
Electronic
beats. We got the hip hop music with the future flow.
in the place. Put your hands in the air. Hands up.
Let's live it up.
You wanna get down. I wanna get down.
So baby, don't worry.
Alright, when it knocks you down.
Don't need to worry.
Get back up when you're tumbling down.
Pop, living on the boom, boom, boom. Gotta get rumba. 808 with the boom, boom, boom. Gotta get pop. Gotta get
Boom, boom, proud.
gotta get. This year's remix with the future.
Sound.
I got a feeling
But I never really had
that tonight's gonna be a good night. That tonight's gonna be a good night. And I say the same thing every single time. I know that I can be somebody. Open up your plans and jam your way. Look into your heart and you'll find love's part of love. Down. future fly.
People in the place, put your hands in the air. Put your hands up,
Let's live it up.
if you wanna get down.
I wanna get down, down. So baby, don't worry.
That's alright, when it knocks you down.
Don't need to worry.
Get back up when you're tumbling down,
Pop.
Damn.
Boom, gotta get boom, bop. 808 with the boom, boom, boom. Gotta get pop. Gotta get
Boom, boom, proud.
gotta get this year's remix with the future
Sound.
I got a feeling
But I never really had that.
that tonight's gonna be a good night. That tonight's gonna be a good night. And I say the same thing every single time. You know that I can do somebody. Open up your plans and get your ring. Look into your heart and you'll find love, love, love. Down, feeling down, down.
shallow verses, nothing deep, grab the surface. Too weak to be defined as timeless, so we gotta guide these blinded rhymers away from the shiny diamonds and fancy coats. Show 'em what matters most. Rappers boast, stunt and show ball, scared to be looked at as something so soft, trying to be hard, but they hardly real. Make so-called music you hardly feel. That's why they leave a lot left to be desired. So I try to write to rekindle the fire, lifting it higher. The simple man with a pen, trying to give you something you can feel again. He who's in love with the art should know it's always best to come from the heart. When the music don't feel the same, need to let the world feel your pain. He who's in love with the art should know it's always best to come from the heart. When the music don't feel the same, need to let the world feel your pain. And they love to hear it, constructing lyrics to touch the spirit. So fresh and inspire the hopeless. Better myself and retire the dopest. Or at least well respected, I'm free to be me. And I sell my message, but people are rarely rich. So for little or nothing, I share my gift while you vibe to it, stare and drift. In a space, take your mind on a damn trip to a place music nowadays never ventures. Embrace the experience, let me enter the next adventure. Remains a mystery. Then I paint a picture to stain your memory and secure my place in history. In your heart, I stay, come visit me. He who's in love with the art should know it's always best to come from the heart. When the music don't feel the same, need to let the world feel your pain. He who's in love with the art should know it's always best to come from the heart. When the music don't feel the same, need to let the world feel your pain. H-E-R, we be heart and soul, proud and bold. H-E-R, we be heart and soul, proud and bold. I was told not to hold back and broke brass for cast to use for healing. Say things that you ain't used to hearing. Don't believe everything the news revealing. So I grab mics and use speakers to expose gems for the true seekers. Cause they just might be the future leaders. Erasing all doubt, make true believers. And you and me, all is possible. Self-pride can't make y'all unstoppable. Help you push through your obstacles. Peace is a must, war is optional. He who's in love with the art should know it's always best to come from the heart. Yes. When the music don't feel the same, need to let the world feel your pains. He who's in love with the art should know it's always best to come from the heart. Yes. When the music don't feel the same, need to let the world feel your pains. He who's in love with the art should know it's always best to come from the heart. Yes. When the music don't feel the same, need to let the world feel your pains. He who's in love with the art should know it's always best to come from the heart. Yes. When the music don't feel the same, need to let the world feel your pains. H-R-E, heart and soul, proud and bold. 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 Music need a little more heart, little more soul. Either too hot or a little too cold. Way too many shallow verses, nothing deep, grab the surface. Too weak to be defined as timeless, so we gotta guide these blinded rhymers away from the shiny diamonds and fancy coats. Show 'em what matters most. Rappers boast, stunt and show all, scared to be looked at as something so soft, trying to be hard, but they hardly real. Make so-called music you hardly feel. That's why they leave a lot left to be desired. So I try to write to rekindle the fire, lifting it higher. The simple man with a pen, trying to give you something you can feel again. Who's in love with the art should know it's always best to come from the heart. Yes. When the music don't feel the same, need to let the world feel your pains. He who's in love with the art should know it's always best to come from the heart. Yes. When the music don't feel the same, need to let the world feel your pains. And they love to hear it, constructing lyrics to touch the spirit. So fresh and inspired the hopeless. Better myself and retire the dopest. Or at least well respected, I'm free to be me. And I sell my message, but people are rarely rich. So for little or nothing, I share my gift while you vibe to it, stare and drip. In the space, take your mind on a damn trip to a place music nowadays never ventures. Embrace the experience, let me enter the next adventure. Remains a mystery. Then I paint a picture to stay in your memory and secure my place in history. In your heart, I stay convinced of me. He who's in love with the art should know it's always best to come from the heart. Yes. When the music don't feel the same, need to let the world feel your pains. In love with the art should know it's always best to come from the heart. Yes. When the music don't feel the same, need to let the world feel your pains. H-R-E, heart and soul, proud and bold. H-R-E, heart and soul, proud and bold. I was told not to hold back and procrastinate to use for healing. Say things that you ain't used to hearing. Don't believe everything the news revealing. So I grab mics and use speakers to expose gems for the true seekers. Just might be the future leaders. Erasing all doubt, make true believers. And you and me, all is possible. Self-pride can't make y'all unstoppable. And help you push through your obstacles. Peace is a must, war is optional. He who's in love with the art should know it's always best to come from the heart. Yes. When the music don't feel the same, need to let the world feel your pains. He who's in love with the art should know it's always best to